I fed Claude raw OCR text from 180 invoices, and it got 29% of every field wrong, tax mistaken for discount, line items collapsed into garbage. If you're dumping OCR output straight into a prompt and hoping Claude figures it out, this is why your extraction fails. There's a better representation, and it takes 2 lines of Python. Most people think the problem is their prompt. It's not. Here's a real invoice from a Serbian supplier. I ran it through a standard OCR engine, Tesseract, nothing fancy, and got back a wall of text. Every number, every label, every row, just flattened into a single stream. Now watch what happens when I paste that raw OCR output into Claude and ask it to extract 5 fields: supplier name, invoice number, tax amount, total, and line item description. Claude gets 2 of the 5 wrong. It reads the tax percentage as the tax amount, and it merges 2 line items into one, because in the linear text, there's nothing telling Claude where one row ends and the next begins. This is the failure mode nobody warns you about. The OCR engine didn't make a mistake. It read the characters correctly, but it threw away the spatial structure that tells you this number is in the tax column and that number is in the discount column. Claude is working with the right characters in the wrong arrangement. Now here's the fix. I take that exact same OCR output, same characters, same numbers, same labels, and I restructure it into a markdown table before sending it to Claude. Column headers, pipe delimiters, 1 row per line item. That's it. Nothing else changes. Same prompt, same model, same 5 fields. Run it again. All 5 correct. The tax amount is in the right column, the line items are separated, and the total matches. I tested this across 180 real invoices in production. If you want this exact pipeline built for your business, OCR to structured extraction, fully automated, go to BizFlow AI, and book a free 30-minute discovery call. We ship these systems for clients every week.